welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching a 5-star property. In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this hotel, like amenities, room category, location, landmark, facilities, and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the property location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. Of reviews of this property, you can go to Agoda.com. Its review rating is 9.1, which is the exceptional. Room category 1. You can see on the screen rooms like rooms are bed type, highlight, facilities, amenities, and reviews, etc. Room category 2. Room category 3. Room category 4. Room category 5. Room category 6. Room category 7. Room category 8. Room category 9. Room category 10. Next, we discuss the amenities of this property. As you can see on the screen, in this property, 10 type of room is available on Agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. The location of the property is first class and guests fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Check-in time in this property is 2 p.m. Check-out time of this property is 12 p.m. There are many deals and offers available online for this property, along with different meal plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem in this property, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. For booking a bit more details about this resort, please read description box. If you have visited this property, you can send your experiences via comment. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming property. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, we'll meet again in a new video with a new property.